Hi, everybody. I'll get the old Dr. Nick from The Simpsons. Did you know today we're going to learn about nutrition? Sorry, I'll stop. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into chapter 5 of the book, starting on page 115, 114, 115. We're going to talk about nutrition and physical activity. Because for so much of us children, when we think of health, we talk about the health triangle, the physical, mental, emotional, and social health. So many of us, when we think about health, we think of what we do to keep ourselves physically active and what we do when we eat to keep ourselves healthy. Although I think diet and exercise are perfect. I think sleep is another one that we kind of take for granted. But I'm going to start off with doing page 116 to 119 with you, and then you guys will do a little questions after that. So, sorry. My stomach a little growling. Page 116. Lesson 5.1. Why your body needs nutrients. And we're going to do a little discussion question on this. I'll create. It says, write a menu of your favorite meal. You guys are going to write a menu. You're going to tell me in a discussion question and explain why you think the foods belong in a healthy eating plan. We're not going to worry as much about that. I just want to see what's your favorite meal. And I want you guys to start thinking of that, of, how does that relate to, what you eat, what's your favorite thing is to eat? Are you getting the correct nutrients that your body needs with that eating? We're going to learn about why your food choices are important, what kind of food your body needs, how various kinds of foods affect your body. And these are also words that I would write down in your own personal notes. Nutrition, nutrient, carbohydrate, fiber, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral. And when we get to talking about nutrients, we're going to talk about macronutrients and micronutrients as well. So, again, lesson 1, why your body needs nutrients. Food is fuel. When you feel hungry, your body is sending you the message that you need fuel. To your body, food is fuel because it gives your body the energy it needs to operate. It also provides the building blocks that allow your body to grow and repair itself. Figure 5.1 illustrates steps in fueling and refueling your body. So right now, as I'm doing this, my stomach's growling because I had my breakfast and all that, but it's telling me that I should probably eat something right now because I'm about at the noon hour. Actually, looking at my clock, it's 1 o'clock. I think I can hold out for about 3.5 hours. I like to eat around 5 o'clock. During your teen years, your body grows more rapidly than it has since you were an infant. This means you need to provide your body with kinds of foods it needs. Understanding nutrition will help you do this. Nutrition is the science that studies the substances in food and how the body uses them. I would put that word down in your notes, please. Figure 5.1, the food, the body's fuel. Food gives your body the energy you need to move and do your daily activities. Nutritious foods help your body grow, feel your best, and perform at your peak. Again, we see number 1, morning is an important time to refuel. An empty stomach tells your brain that you need to eat. This signal is hunger. God, it's called ghrelin. There is a hormone in your body called ghrelin that tells you that you need to eat. nutrients in food. Yeah, my stomach's growling right now. Maybe I should get a snack. I will. After I'm done recording this video, nutrients are substances in food that your body needs. You could think of nutrients as members of a team. Each one has a special job to do, and each one is important to the team. Together, nutrients keep your body healthy, help you grow, and set the foundation for lifelong health and wellness. Altogether, there are more than 40 new kinds of nutrients. They are grouped into the following 6 categories: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. I'm going to click out of this real quick, and I'm going to go into a doc. I'm going to create one for you real quick, just to give you guys a little more notes to take. I call this macro and micro nutrients. What'd you do that for? Get working done, you. No. Macronutrients. There's 3 types of macronutrients. And for those of you like myself that wear a Fitbit and you track what you eat, the first part of what you track is what's known as your macronutrients. Your macronutrients are made up of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. All foods and some drinks consist of those nutrients, those macronutrients. Macro means big. And so when it comes to the big nutrients, we're talking about the 3 big nutrients. We're talking about carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. When we get into micronutrients, those macronutrients are the foods you eat daily. So again, as you're logging your food, that's your macronutrients. Again, like today for breakfast, I had 2 eggs, half a Roma tomato, half an avocado, half a jalapeno, and half a ham steak. So if I were to look at my Fitbit, which I did earlier, but I don't have it memorized, I memorized my food. Again, it told me something like I ate 14 grams of carbs. I think I ate 29 grams of fat and 26 grams of protein. That's your macronutrients, telling you what you've done. Your micronutrients are just the individual things that you're eating daily. So I'll pause this video for a minute to let you guys put this down in your notes. Pause. Unpause. Or you guys pause when I say pause, and pause the video, write those down, then unpause it. Now we're going to go back to our lesson. Okay. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy in your body. Simple carbohydrates or sugar are found in fruits, milk, and table sugar. Starchy foods such as bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes contain complex carbohydrates. Your body breaks them down into simple sugars. Many starchy foods also contain fiber. Fiber is the tough, stringy part of raw fruits, raw vegetables, whole wheat, and other grains, which you cannot digest. Fiber helps carry waste out of your body. And that's what, again, healthy, a lot of fiber helps you defecate or poop. And that's what fiber is best for you for. So we look down right there in the number 3 when we're talking about that chart. Healthy meals provide fuel to meet your body's needs. Number 4, your body burns food energy to perform everyday activities, such as taking a test. 5, after spending energy, your body needs refueling again. Page 118, proteins. Proteins are essential for growth and repair of all the cells in your body. Meat and other animal products, such as eggs and dairy products, provide complete proteins. This means that they contain all the building blocks that your body needs to build and maintain strong muscles. However, you can also get complete proteins by combining certain plant foods, such as rice and beans. You don't need to eat these foods at the same meal. Anytime during the day is fine. Fats. Fats are another source of energy. Fats also carry certain vitamins in your bloodstream and help keep your skin healthy. However, eating too much fat can contribute to weight gain and other health problems, such as heart disease and cancer. These conditions usually appear later in life, but often result from poor health habits that begin at an early age. Salad dressing and such popular fast foods as donuts and fries tend to be high in fat. Vitamins. Again, all these carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, these blue words and all these italicized phrases, please put those in your notes. Vitamins are substances that help regulate body functions. Vitamins help you in many ways. For example, they help your body use other nutrients and fight disease. Fruits, leafy green vegetables, whole grain bread, and some meats are especially rich in vitamins. Again, talk about that with minerals, because again, you take certain vitamins and minerals that have certain vitamins you need. Such as like meats have your B12 vitamin. And again, you need that in your life. Plus, you can take a supplement, a vitamin, a mineral for that. We see in the picture that many delicious foods often offer the nutrients your body needs. Which of these foods combine complete nutrients? Well, sometimes, kiddos, that can be a matter of lifestyle choice. Some people, and again, we're going to watch a video about that tomorrow for class, just about different diets of the world. Sorry. I don't know what that's for. Minerals. Minerals are the elements in food that help your body work properly. For example, the minerals calcium and phosphorus aid in many body functions. They strengthen growing bones, keeping muscles healthy, and help your heart beat regularly. Several minerals allow the body to use the other types of nutrients. Most foods contain minerals, especially milk, meat, dried beans, vegetables, fruit, and whole grain cereals. Different foods contain different minerals. Again, I'll look to see if I can find a YouTube video for that as well. Because as we know, like citrus fruits contain a lot of vitamin C for you, and that's a mineral that helps your immune system. So do peppers, bell peppers, Anaheims, jalapenos. Those things are very They have a mineral that's known as capsaicin, which is good for inflammation. And capsaicin also contains a lot of vitamin C. Again, we know that milk and dairy contain a lot of the calcium minerals that you need for healthy bones. We know that the sun contains a lot of your vitamin D minerals. That's why you need to go outside and be outside for about 30 minutes to get your vitamin D, which is a good antioxidant mineral. It also helps regulate your melatonin, which is good for sleep. And again, we know that meat, especially red meat, contains a lot of B12, which is another vitamin that your body needs. Some people take supplements such as pills to get extra vitamins and minerals. However, food sources are always better. Food has other nutrients that supplements do not have. I take a lot of supplements. Finally, water. Water carries nutrients around your body and so is essential to life. It also helps digestion, removes waste, and cools you off. You need 6 to 8 cups of water every day, plus 2 to 4 more cups in hotter weather. Your body can also get water from juices, milk, and fruits and vegetables. As this, I would stop and ask again, how many ounces, fluid ounces are in a cup? Pause. Ask, raise your hand and ask, unpause. I hope that someone said there are 8 fluid ounces in a cup of water. So, according to this book and other health guidelines, they believe that you should have 6 to 8 ounce glasses of water daily, which would be 64 ounces of water, which I believe, if I'm correct, is half a gallon. There's always been a belief that people have said that you should always drink half your body weight in water. Again, always the big thing, drink water when you're thirsty. And yes, you can get water from juices, milk, and other stuff. And yes, we know we could get fluids from pop and energy drinks, but again, a lot of that has sugar. Again, you really need to do at least 8 ounces of just regular water, whether it's tap water, whether it's vitamin water, whether it's bottled water, whether it's smart water, whether it's electrolyte water. You need that stuff in you. Okay, I will create a worksheet on some of these lesson review questions. Tomorrow, if I can find it, we'll watch a video about the different diets of the world, because I know people get into nowadays a lot of different diets. We know that there's people who are vegetarian. We know there's people who are vegan. We know some people like to do what's known as paleo. Some people like to do keto. Some people like to do the Mediterranean diet. There's just a smorgasbord, a plethora of diets throughout the world, and that people do for different reasons. And so just want to show you guys something on that. Okay, thank you very much, pirates, and have a super sparkly day.